Sir, why are you removing number plates, sir? Huh? Owner removing his own number plate. But what's the idea here, Adi?
So I don't have a 10mm Allen key that is used for the engine mount. So I'm using a 10mm normal nut and bolt. I'll use the socket like this and then use it to drive the bolt.
And hopefully that should work.
Hopefully. This goes in there. This goes in there.
And now we have a 10mm Allen key.
Yeah.
That's
Sweet.
pretty cool.
Alright, now